Hello everyone. Open the Noida iCares website. Click on login. Select login as existing student. Login using OTP with your registered mobile number. Also you can log in using your email ID and password. Once you log in, you will be redirected to your student dashboard. From the left side menu, click on examination enrollment. Read all instructions carefully before proceeding. Click on visit now. It will be redirected to academic portal of iCares. There you will see 3 buttons. You have to click blue color one which says registered live members. As soon as you click the button, it will ask you to enter your username and password. By entering your details, it will open up your student portal. Then click on apply for examination. You will get this option on the top menu of exams. Under exams, you will see apply for examination. It will open up iCares examination instructions. Please read it carefully. You will see everything there, mode of paper and your examination schedules, your online, offline exams and its requirement and everything. Please read it carefully. And then in the end, just check mark on declaration part. Click here to fill your examination application. Then before filling up the form, please read the examination instructions again. Select your course, admission year, your enrolled center and select the exam language. Choose your examination mode. Select your examination center. In the end, click on check mark. It's a consent. Please read it carefully. Then click on preview application. Here's a preview of your application. Check all the details again. After checking, click on confirm and submit. After clicking the button, you will see an important message which says your application received. Now take the screenshot of this message. Now return to iCares Noida chapter website. Click on examination fee option on the left side menu. Double check your LM number. Select your preferred examination mode. Now select joining batch for the course. Select the year, month and the year and preferred exam language also. Select your examination course, stream, exam fee will be displayed there and then click the button add to the cart so that you can proceed to pay. Now in the section document, choose file. Now upload the screenshot which you have taken on the academic portal of confirmation message. Upload the file here. Then click on proceed to pay. You will be redirected to Razorpay. There you will have multiple payment options. You can pay as per your convenience. After successful payment, you will be redirected to your own dashboard where you can see your transaction history. So you have successfully paid your examination fees.